Hello, basically just giving a market review there today. So it is 3rd of July 2023. Just giving a rundown basically on the Nasdaq price action 2 days. So basically, placed a sell order. So I'm just going to break the chart and do a bit of analysis here. So New York time, midnight, start the day off. So right about here. No, here. Okay, so this line over here is basically representing the last hour of trading. Well, not the last hour, but 4 o'clock New York time on Friday. So if you mark out here, so between this and this area here, right, price basically stopped trading in here. So market open back up, Sunday's open here. Obviously, as you can see, right here, we have a volume imbalance. Okay, so that was an area I was looking for price to come and draw into. So obviously, main focus was trading the AM session, so mark out the 9:30 hour, and yeah, this is basically the AM sessions from here to here, the AM session, right? So looking at the chart here, what I was basically seeing at the time, so right above here we have a rejection block. Okay. There for clarification. Okay, so rejection. So that was formulated just at basically the end of the AM session. No, the London session. And that was basically formed over there. So I basically didn't look at the charts until around this time here, but as you'll notice, all of this price action here from point here to here, it's market protracting. So the market protracted, basically retraced all the way up into here, and there's that area there. So what I was doing was the liquidity obviously resting above these highs here. I was expecting the price to return back up there, but what I wanted to see was the price make a return back towards this area here, the weak opening gap. I wanted to use that as a draw for basically price to reach back into, and as you can see, it delivered beautifully. But what I was expecting in terms of actual profit target, don't mind that, that's all Friday's trading. Where are we? I was looking at a swing, and for some reason I cannot find it. I'm going to break it down into the 1 minute chart here. Yes, so here I measured this swing here, and I kind of wanted to see price come a lot further down. This is where I was actually aiming for. So again, don't mind that Friday's trading was acting the bollocks, and yeah, that's just that. I really wanted to see price come down here, because between this point, that candle's high, that candle's low. What's missing here? Sell side. Price still had to fill that in. So what I actually wanted to see when I sold here, I wanted to see continuation from the new week opening gap. Like, to me, obviously I wanted to see it just hold in this area and then just obviously seek to go lower. Obviously it didn't though, so a bit of a slow moving day, but it worked still. Didn't get my profit target. I was aiming for 2.5 standard deviations here. Didn't get it. Got about 1. But still beautiful. So I literally, I'm going to break this down now into 1 minute. Well, obviously, yeah, you can see there as well. So I got stopped on the balance here. Took my profit target there. Should have probably took another one there. I wasn't at the charts. Played a bit Warzone, as you do, and basically just didn't look at the charts, so yeah, got stopped on the bounce there, but still, analysis on point. Then what I was basically seeing here, so we have about the 10 o'clock hour here. Okay, so see that little gap there? That's basically the news release at that time. So right at 10 we have the news release. As you can see, news there came out, just basically chop. But I sold here on the rejection block, price came down, took out some, well, filled in the fair value gap there. As you can see, obviously what was still resting here, sell side, so price made it run down, tagged that. But what I was looking at while I was in the chart over here, obviously as you can see, after I hit that rejection block, just one straight move down. So obviously we have a volume imbalance here, which would have needed to be filled back in. Okay, just for clarification there. And obviously the area there, I wanted to see that fill, which it did beautifully. So it came up, news release, bang, gyrated a little bit, came back, boom. But look at the bodies, they're just respecting it. Now that one obviously a little bit, but it's allowed. Price came up again, boom, price came up, boom. That would have probably been another sell, good sell there. But this is what I was eyeing up around here. So if you look here, take out this volume imbalance here, boom, respected perfectly. Also, this is what I was eyeing up when I sold here. As you can see, forget the wicks there for a minute. So I'm using that to that. Between that point and that point, there's been no, well, how do I say it? I wouldn't even know how to explain it. There's been no price really offered in that area, I suppose. So came up into basically just halfway. If you look here, buying off 79% retracement level, OTE levels targeted, and just sold off. And did, and took out that, came back up one more time, hit off that level, sold off. And if you also look here, see these two blocks here, old areas of accumulation. Okay, so basically, I'm breaking it to 15. That area there, price was basically accumulating inside that, so they're going to offset their bonds basically and sell in there. So this hold here, beautifully targeted that, and then boom. Here we have a nice institutional order flow entry drill. Second stage of distribution right there. As you can see, gave up the ghost, bang. All in all, probably the perfect entry right there. Like straight away, just boom, institutional order flow straight in. You probably had a minute. Yeah, you did have a minute to get in that, and then it just boom. I was looking at it there, I wanted to sell it, but I just said, look, I'll leave it. Well, I wish it is, just for the purpose of showing it. But yeah, that's all off there, and as you can see, I did exactly what I was expecting. Came down, tagged the bottom of the new week opening gap. Right there. And that's it. So that's basically a review of, well, my Nasdaq trading session there today. Demo ball in the course, and yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe.